The very first game we'll be playing this evening is called Film and Theatre Styles. I have to bring down Ryan and Josie for this. I'm going to give them a little situation in which to improvise in just a moment. But first, I'd like some suggestions of some film styles, some theatre styles, if anyone can think of them here in the studio audience. Sorry? Orgasm, okay, all right. I don't know if you're making a suggestion there or just telling what's happening up there. Any other film styles more familiar to the family viewer? I don't. Horror. That's completely different from orgasm. Melodrama.
Film noir.
Silent and film noir. Musical. I think that's a massive number of suggestions there. Orgasm. Well, anyway, let's brings back happy memories. Now, the scene I'd like you to play is, Josie, you've driven up to what we call a gas station in America. Away you go, and I'll give you some styles as we get to it.
Sorry, I just like doing that. Could I have some gas, please?
You bet you can. Get your windows for you?
Oh, yes, please.
Horror.
Ah! What are you wiping my windows with? That's a dead animal!
Yes, it is. I'm sorry. It's also my mother. Sorry, Mother. Back into the pile.
Let me see your face.
Silent movie. Let's do an orgasm, a porn movie.
I'd like to check your gear stick.
Let me get the oil for you.
My, that's a big hose. I like the way the gas just drips from the end.
Oh dear, that was a mistake, obviously. Let's end on a bit of melodrama.
Oh! My car, my automobile has run out of gas. What am I to do? What am I to do?
Okay, let's end there. Thank you very much. Thank you. That's it for the... Thank you. Go back. All right. Well, I've obviously got to give... I've obviously got to give 69 points to each there. Now...